is part 3 of the Bangkok Chiang Mai vlogs. Part 2 is on Ria's channel, so if you've not yet watched it, go and watch it. This is our first day in Bangkok. We just had breakfast and now we're going to Platinum Mall to shop. That is our goal in Thailand, Bangkok, to shop. And right now I have booked myself a Grab bike, so we're gonna hop onto the bike and then go. Ria has already gone, by the way. Her bike came like 1 minute ago. And now I'm waiting for mine. It says it's coming in a minute, so let's wait for it and then we're gonna go. Also, I love my outfit today. It looks so good. We are on the bike. We have reached Platinum Mall. Look at it, it looks so busy and I'm waiting for Ria to come. She should be here any minute, so let's just wait for her. You know, the guy was driving so fast, that's why I reached before her. I actually got the bike after her, but still I reached before her. Insane, right? And I've been here for like 5 minutes and she's still not. Oh, she's there. I saw her. Shopping has begun. Hello. Ria is buying jewelry.
I really need many things.
These rings are also so cool.
Yeah, the pearl, no?
We have already made some purchases. I bought something. I'll show you later. And we also bought something. And right now we got a lot of accessories. This shop is filled with jewelry. Like literally everything, you name it, and it's there. Ria is trying to figure out one last thing to buy for 10%
discount.
And now...
Hey, this is cute, bros.
Hey, that's nice.
Yeah.
190 also.
This or this? No, I won't wear with this black starfish, to be honest. Or this. I won't wear with the cross. This shell is the cutest.
This you'll wear. I can see you wear it.
Yeah, even I see me wear it. Chal, I'll take it.
We are now going on the second floor.
Finally.
We have taken some stuff.
After so long, we're going on the second.
Yeah, this floor was not end. And there's still this whole side which we've not seen.
Yeah. We just saw half.
Yeah.
But it's fine, let's get a changing vibe.
Yes.
Yeah, then let's get some coconut water.
Ooh, look at those skirts. Denim skirts.
Cute.
A lot of jewelry shopping has been done. This is what it's called.
Yeah, it's such a nice place.
Yeah. Guys, we are having Coca-Cola, which is like a pack.
Look at that.
We're gonna see. Oh, this is the glass.
Yeah, it's huge.
We'll ever be able to complete it.
I don't know how.
Bro, stop.
It's the glass bottle, huh? Yeah.
What? Shit. Really had lime in it? Oh, thank you.
Yeah. It's so good.
What is the size? We have got a suitcase. Ria has gotten herself a suitcase because she needed one, and also all our stuff is now inside. And now we're gonna go out for a vibe change and maybe another mall. Maybe get some food because we haven't eaten anything hot.
Let's eat like a
all
major,
day.
like, you wanna eat a
Girl, we
burger?
need some food.
Let's eat a burger. I'm damn hungry, bro.
I don't like burgers, but you can eat
Bro,
it.
Central has a Shake Shack.
It's giving rain.
Bro. Oh, it's drizzling.
Is it? Woohoo! We are walking up and going towards Central Mall. Looks so good. Bro, it looks so cool from here.
Yes.
Ooh, food is here. Shake Shack is here. Shake Shack. Time to eat.
Let's eat, sis.
Guys, we just came outside the mall and the Christmas tree was right here. It looks so good.
I wanna take.
Ooh, we need pictures.
Yeah.
We have done the shopping and now we are taking the BTS Skytrain and we had a free pass and the train is here. Bye bye. We are back in our hotel. This is how it looks if you've not seen, but see it in Ria's vlog, the whole room. And everything is so organized. I love it. And now we are gonna rest for some time, change our clothes, and then go. And we are meeting someone today. Y'all will see her in the vlog. So that's gonna be exciting. And we're gonna try out these random drinks we got from 7-Eleven. So let's see. Remove it. The earring
Useless earring.
kept falling.
Bhai Sahab.
I think I've overworn it. Yeah, so we're gonna try this lychee flavored Fanta and what is this? Summer berry cocktail.
Drink water. Even my mom gets damn pissed
Did
because
not
my
have-
bottle is वैसे का वैसा
Have
only.
water the entire.
Hey, you had water क्या?
Because I was with you.
You know what it smells like?
That lychee candy.
No, yeah, the lychee jelly
Yeah,
candy
yeah.
and lychee mugu mugu.
Oh, sick. You would love this because you
I
love
love lychee. Yummy. Chatpata.
Is this also lychee?
No, it says summer berry. So it must be berry. I don't know what's in it.
Both
Wow,
are
I'm a
similar
fan of
vibes.
lychee Fanta.
Both are similar vibes.
Yeah, yummy. Guys, did y'all show them how many shopping bags we
Yeah,
have?
the suitcase and 3-4 bags.
We should.
Big bags.
We need to open it and see how much
What-
we can put in our
yeah.
bags and how much we have. Let's do it. Yeah, because otherwise tomorrow again we have to go shopping. Are you understanding? We know.
We are ready for the night. This is my fit. We have dressed up tonight. First night in Thailand this time that we dressed.
up so much. For
Because Chiang Mai was freezing.
And it was very chill.
Chill, like not a...
Not temperature.
Yeah, the vibes. Now we're gonna leave. We're gonna meet someone. You would know by now. But yeah. On our way. Oh, bhai.
Bali. Wine collection. Wine connection.
Wine connection.
Wine connection.
We are walking. This is the area where the tuk-tuks are there.
Yeah. Even out at random there were tuk-tuks.
Yeah. This is a very happening area.
Look at the Christmas decor.
Yeah, na? All the decor. Who's here? Insane.
This is a nice area.
Yeah, it's a lively area.
I came here and I was like, bro, this area is so nice. Our hotel should be here only, and it was right here. You're not vlogging?
is the next day. Last night we had a really fun night with Devashi. It was so much fun, and I think we came back to the hotel also a little late, and then we were so tired we went to sleep. And today also we woke up a little later than our everyday time, and we are almost ready to leave. Today we are starting our day with Siam Paragon because we haven't seen that side of the city yet, and also so that we get a little change, and then if we don't like it we can go back to the Central Mall and Platinum if we want more clothes, which I think we do want some more clothes.
Yeah.
Ria is tying her hair.
Hello.
And
only half of our cabin bag is full, so we can get
yeah,
more clothes.
this is my outfit. Today's vibe is completely different. And I'm feeling comfortable, which is important because these malls are so cold and outside is so hot that you have to wear something in between. Secured strawberry milk from 7-Eleven and coffee, Meiji coffee. Both are so good.
It's like coffee flavor milk.
First purchase of Ria Gund. We are at Siam Square 1 mall. I think looks like a good mall. We should get stuff here, I feel. They have skirts also.
Yeah, bro.
We are at this store and we found these cute pants, and I think we're gonna buy them. These blue pants. I tried them on and they looked cute, so maybe yeah, that's how they look. They're like loose trousers, and I don't have anything in this color, so I think I'm gonna get them. Some more shopping has been done. We bought cute phone covers, and also I bought a power bank, which I really badly wanted, a nice power bank. Guys, I started coughing in the middle, but I was telling all about the power bank that Ria got hers from Bangkok last time, and it was actually very good, so I also got mine from here this time.
And the same brand also.
Oh, that's a cute set. And now we're outside Siam One
Guys.
Square, where they have these stalls of clothes, and apparently these clothes are very cute.
Yeah.
You can have a look. Guys, this street in Siam Square, like right outside Siam One Square, there are a lot of shops with cute clothes, and this whole outside is also great to like walk around and shop. As you can see, we have shopped quite a bit, and yeah, and there are other shops also, like proper shops where you can go, but also a lot of street style shops where you get lots of cute things. Finally having some food. It's 3 p.m.
So hungry. Oh my god, it's 3.
Yeah. We are at another store called Matchbox, and it's also very cute. Look at it. Ria is over there. It was raining a lot. Now it has luckily stopped when we have to walk outside.
Thank God.
So good for us. We are now going back to Central World where we went yesterday, and hopefully we
Get some nice stuff.
so
And hopefully we find our way because it's raining and
we took like so much time to figure out how to
go where to go.
Yeah, because
Now
there's so many exits, so many
Yeah.
like
Skywalks
stairs
and
and
skyways.
escalators.
Yeah, it's so loud also.
Like 2 minutes. We are shoe shopping, I guess. We are finally done with shopping, and now we are walking. Like it's a 5-minute walk. We are walking on the Sky Rail Pass, and we should reach the train. So we have so much saman with us. We're gonna take the BTS Sky Train now and reach our hotel. Reached our hotel. We just kept the bags in the lobby, the shopping bags, and 7-Eleven is right here, and we are getting our dinner today from 7-Eleven. Ramen and stuff like that. Ria just asked me a question. Is she getting
when are we
old?
eating ramen? Can't you don't
Oh. Because her back is hurting,
back-
apparently.
And my knee is hurting, and I think
We need food.
my fitness journey is gonna kick in and help all this.
What?
Listen, 15,000 steps every day.
No,
Let's
people
check-
do that every
Let's check right now what it is.
Yeah, in see niche it'll come your average steps. Like what are your normal 359 it is your average, and today you did
13k, 10k more than my average, boys. Are you hearing that?
what is mine? Cooking. Mine Riya's. Ooh. Guys, before we sleep, we are checking all the stuff we bought to see what we have because we don't remember. And we know how much to get or how much not to get now.
Yeah. Let's open it. Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. Oh no. Hello guys, welcome back to another vlog this week. That's how you say. Listen.
Guys, this reminds me I need to end my vlog.
Okay. What I was saying is that, you know, we bought this camera together and Kanchi left this camera on my bed. So now I have two DJIs. So
Who
now,
said
yeah, because it was on my bed. Understood or not? Yeah.
It's not your bed.
Why? Oh, it's Avani's bed and Yu's bed.
So everything in this room is
Oh
theirs.
shit, we
Oh,
shopped
shit.
too much.
We shopped too much. Guys, I am gonna go to bed now and also end the vlog. And Miss Riya Gurnani is gonna continue the vlogs. So part 4 is gonna come on her channel, and this is part 3, and part 2 is already on her channel, and part 1 is already on my channel. So go watch all of those 2 parts also, and this one, and then the next one. Yeah. So that's it for this week or today's video. I will see you super soon with another video. Bye bye from Bangkok.